Hi friends, welcome to Interactive Medicine. In this section, we are going to discuss about the basic concepts of pharmacology. We will talk about its terms and definition and the basic introduction of pharmacology. A drug is a drug defined as any substance or group of substance which affect living tissue, or it is defined as any substance used to prevent, diagnose, or treat disease or to prevent pregnancy. Pharmacology. It is the study of actions and effects of drugs on living systems and their therapeutic use. Pharmacokinetics. It deals with absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drugs. Important: absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drugs. The toxicology terms: it is the science of poisons. It includes origin, chemical properties, toxic actions, etc. The word posology means it is the science of dosage. It deals with the amount of drug necessary to produce a desired physiological, therapeutic, or prophylactic effect. Minimum dose is considered the smallest dose of drug that produce the therapeutic effect. Maximum dose. The maximum dose is considered the large dose of drug that can be safely administered. Toxic dose. The toxic dose of a drug is considered the amount of drug that will produce noxious or harmful effect. Lethal dose LD50. The lethal dose of a drug is the amount of substance that will cause death. Single dose. It is the amount of substance to be taken at one time. Daily dose. The daily dose of a drug is the amount of substance to be taken in a 24-hour period. Maintenance dose. The maintenance dose of a drug is the amount of substance taken to maintain or continue a desired therapeutic effect. Pharmacology. The origin is from Greek word pharmakon and logos. Pharmakon means drug, logos means science. Science of drugs, dealing with the study of desirable and undesirable effects. Pharmacology is the study of drugs and their actions on the body. What is pharmacology? Pharmacology includes what the body does to drug. It is called pharmacokinetics, and what the drug does to body. It is known as pharmacodynamics. The preparing suitable dosage forms of drugs. It is called pharmacy, and we study about the poisons, that is toxicology, and the study of use of drugs, that is pharmacotherapeutics. Pharmacy. It is the science of identification, selection, preservation, standardization, compounding, and dispensing of medicinal substances. Drug. Drug is any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify physiological systems or pathological state for the benefit of recipient. Nomenclature. Chemical name: it is provided by chemist and it is based on its ingredients. Generic name is company based or manufacturer name. Official name, that is approved by FDA or Food Drug Administration. Trade name or brand name. For an example, the chemical name of the brand name Alprax R is 1,4-benzodiazepine analog, and the generic name for Alprax is alprazolam, and the official name also alprazolam or USP. The nature and sources of drugs. It comes from mineral, liquid paraffin, magnesium sulfate, etc., animal, insulin, thyroid, etc., plant, morphine, quinine, etc., synthetic, aspirin, sulfonamide, etc., microorganisms, penicillin and other antibiotics, drugs produced by genetic engineering, human insulin, human growth hormone, etc. Drug development process: chemistry, then synthesis and purification, then formulation of a drug, then animal pharmacology, then animal toxicity, it for short or long time, then studies in humans. After that, it is the drug is checked by drug authorities. After the final process is the marketing of the drug. Routes of drug administration. How the drug is given. It may be enteral, that is oral, sublingual, rectal way, or parenteral, it is injectable, intravenous, intramuscular, subcutaneous, or topical, intranasal, inhalational, and intravaginal. Pharmacokinetics, the study of what the body does to the drug, and it is a study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion. In pharmacokinetics, absorption, it is the how the drug is moved into bloodstream from the site of administration. Distribution, how much drug is moved to various body tissues. Pharmacokinetics, absorption, how the drug is moved into bloodstream from the site of administration. Distribution, how much drug is moved to various body tissues or organs depends on blood flow through tissue. Then metabolism, how the drug is altered or broken down. Excretion, how much of the drug is removed from the body. It may be through urine, it may be through feces. Pharmacokinetics, effect of drug on body. It can be therapeutic effect, local and systemic effect, adverse effect, side effect, or others effect. Therapeutic effect, it is the effect which is desired. Therapeutic effect are the medication desired and intentional effect. These effects vary with the nature of medication, the length of time the client has received. These effects also vary with the client physical conditions and interaction with the other way. Local and systemic effect. Local effect of drugs are expected when they apply topical region on the skin or mucous membrane. Systemic effect must be absorbed in the bloodstream. They produce the systemic desired effect in the various system of the parts of body. Adverse effects is any effect other than the therapeutic effect. So adverse effects are minor while some are very serious to health. Side effects, minor adverse effects. These are the minor adverse effects which are observed due to administration of drug. It can be treated by NSD interventions, for example, amoxicillin, nausea, vomiting. Allergic reaction: when the client body reacts towards drug of recognized as a foreign body, then the effects are shown known as allergic effect. Effect on urinary system: oliguria, anuria, hematuria, albuminuria. Oliguria means the amount of urine is decreased. Anuria means absence of urine formation. Hematuria means there is blood in the urine. Albuminuria means albumin in the urine. Effects on cardiovascular system: you can see arrhythmia, which means that irregular heartbeat, hypotension, decreased blood pressure, hypertension, increased blood pressure. Effects on cardiovascular system: arrhythmia means irregular heartbeat, hypotension, decreased blood pressure, hypertension, increased blood pressure. Effects on central nervous system: tremors, that is involuntary movements, insomnia, lack of sleep, headache, dizziness. Effects on gastrointestinal tract: mucosal irritation, constipation, diarrhea. Synergic effects: a combination of two drugs can sometimes cause an effect that is greater than the sum of the individual effect of each drug. Pharmacokinetics: the movement of drug, that is appearance and disappearance in the body. Molecular pharmacology: study of interaction of drugs such as DNA, RNA, enzymes. Chemotherapy: treatment that destroy microorganisms, parasites or malignant cells. Toxicology: study of harmful effect of drugs and chemicals. A toxicologist is also interested in finding proper antidotes to harmful effects of drug. Chemical name is the chemical formula of drug, shows the structure of drug. Generic name or official name is a very less complicated name that is recognized as identifying the drug for legal and scientific purposes. There is only one generic name for each drug. Brand name, trade name, proprietary name is a private property of an individual drug manufacturer. Pharmacodynamics: the study of what the drug does to the body. It is the quantitative study of biological and therapeutic effects of drugs. The use of drugs to maintain health, to reserve a disease process, to relieve symptoms, to prevent disease, to prevent pregnancy. Factors affecting drug response: pharmacological, dose and route of administration, duration of treatment, time of administration, drug interaction. An individual, it depends on age and weight, gender, diet, tolerance. Indication and contraindication. Indication means a clinical circumstances indicating that the use of a particular intervention would be appropriate. Contraindication means any condition which renders a particular line of treatment improper or undesirable. Adverse drug reaction. What does the term adverse reaction refer to? A life-threatening response to a drug, a life-threatening response to a drug-induced allergy, a harmful, noxious, unintended and undesirable response to a drug, an unpredictable response to a drug. We can check it out. Adverse drug reactions. It include side effect, toxicity or overdose. I already said that side effect means minor adverse effects. Toxicity, it means overdose, allergic reactions, physical dependence, carcinogenic effect. Everything included under adverse drug reactions. Forms of drugs. It may be solid, liquid or semi-solid. Solid dosage forms include powders, granules, tablets, capsules, modified release dosage forms, that is, tablet or capsule, lozenges or torches. Semi-solid dosage forms. It include ointment, creams, liniments, suppository, gel or jelly, paste, poultices, aerosols, transdermal drug delivery system. Liquid dosage forms. It include non-sterile and sterile dosage forms. Non-sterile include syrup, solution, tincture, suspension, emulsion, lotion, elixir, draughts, enemas, gargles. Sterile dosage forms include injectables, intravenous bolus dosage, drops, eye and ear. Solid form. It includes caplet, shaped like a capsule and coated for easy swallowing. Capsule. Powdered, liquid or oily drug enclosed in a gelatin shell. Pills. Tablet containing one or more drugs shaped into ovoid or oblong form. Tablet. Powdered dose compressed into hard disk. Lozenges. Flat, round form containing drug, flavoring sugar or dissolves in mouth. Suppository. Solid dose form mixed with gelatin for insertion in the body cavity, melts at body temperature, releasing the drug for absorption. Liquid form injections, drops, syrup, suspension, lotion, tincture, emulsion. Injection include liquid drugs in the ampoule or vial for intramuscular, IV, SC, that is subcutaneous, then intradermal, ID use. Drops, liquid drug for instillation in eyes, ears, nose. Syrup, drug dissolved in concentrated sugar solution. Suspension, finely divided drug particles in a liquid medium. Lotion, drug in liquid suspension used externally on the skin. Tincture, water or alcohol drug solution. Emulsion, mixture of two liquids uniformly dispersed throughout each other. Semi-solid form ointment, preparation made for external use, usually containing one or more drugs, paste, thick and stiff preparation, absorbed through skin more slowly than ointment, cream, a non-greasy semi-solid preparation used on the skin. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please share to other friends and click on the like button and subscribe our channel. Bye.